Hello viewers, here is a set of Vtech telephones. This is a relatively new set. I believe it's still under manufacture. This is model CS6719-2. And I do have both handsets here. Cradle does not seem to have a model number on it. I do believe these are the original batteries. They are made in China, and they're very small, 300 milliamps, the nickel metal hydride chemistry. From what I've heard, these are pretty good phones, and so I thought I might as well get them out and do some videos of it, maybe do a video review, not a fake sponsored advertisement, but an actual review. I've gotten some requests to do phone reviews in the past, but I never really saw a lot of purpose in it because most of the phones that I show here are long out of manufacture. But if these are still in the manufacturer, then perhaps a review would be useful to some people. So anyways, this is not going to be the review video. This is going to be the initial checkout. And yes, for the letter H, this is the first time that I have ever used these telephones. I have never plugged them in. I have never tried them prior to this recording. So, why does it say no one? Okay, because this isn't connected. Okay, now that should go away. And it's not going away. Why? Oh, there we go. Now it went away. Okay, so it looks like there's 46 missed calls. I'm going to pause the video and delete all the stuff that's in there so we don't have anything show up. Okay, all the caller ID, redial, and directory entries have been cleared out. Let's begin by setting the time and date. I believe it is the 9th today. 9/9/20, and it is 8:56 p.m. Almost time to go to sleep. I don't see anything for ringers in there. There it is. Looks like they changed it off of tone 1. Let's see what this one is at. Okay. Let's call these up and see what happens. Okay, we got caller ID. Okay. We'll go ahead and record some testing messages now. This is supposedly fully duplex. We'll test that momentarily. Alright, I'm going to pause the video here for this recording. Video is back on and ending this call. Okay, I'll do the second one. Okay, video. Now we'll conclude this message. Okay. Jeez. That could have been very terrible. Let's listen to these testing messages.
2 new messages and 1 old message. Message 1. Pause the video here for this recording.
The video has been paused. I'm speaking at a moderate volume, about 2 feet away from the telephone with it on speakerphone standing on the table.
Decent pickup.
Closer to it. And now it's on regular talking mode, phone as they call it. And I'm going to leave the studio. And I'm going across the room. Halfway across the room. And now I am all the way across the room near the water equipment. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's going to conclude this testing message. Video is back on, and running this forward.
Message 2.
Okay, video is paused. Testing from the table again. Testing nearer. Speakerphone off. I've left the studio, traveling across the room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have arrived at the other side of the room, near the water equipment. This is a test. Testing, testing. It's cold today. It snowed yesterday, and yet supposedly it's spring and we're nearing summer. It most certainly does not feel like it at all. Okay, I'm back to the studio. And I'll conclude this message.
End of messages.
Okay, so those seem to transmit just fine. We'll ring them up again. And we'll test the numeric buttons. Okay, this is the other handset now. Okay, that checks out. Now we'll take a look at all the other buttons. Okay, that seems to work. Okay, good. That's all working. Paging actually has a pretty good volume. That's an interesting tone. This intercom does go on speakerphone. Okay, let's make some outside calls. The battery ran out of my amplifier here. I'll have to charge that up. And I'll do it the old-fashioned way. I'll just hold it up to the camera.
Good evening. We have the resources and tools to give your...
Okay, that's working. Let's check this one.
People's United Bank time, 9:05. Current temperature at 51 degrees. A sunny morning, partly sunny afternoon, high today around...
Okay, that seems to be working. Now we'll call the Farmer Jones cold line. And we'll test the speakerphones.
Greetings from Jones Family Farms and Winery. This is Mark. Father's Day weekend approaching. We have some great items to bring the farm feelings back to your home. First, we're physically open during the normal spring hours for the winery, Friday through Sunday, 11.
That's got a decent volume to it. Whoops. Now, if this is truly fully duplex, while I'm speaking, it should not cut out at all.
Online.
Goose, 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 1, 2, 3. Is this speakerphone fully duplex?
FamilyFarms.com. Look for the link on our homepage of the new online wine store.
Actually, it's not bad. It's very, very close to being fully duplex. It's not quite fully duplex, but it's very, very close.
Quite good for a handset speakerphone. Of course, I don't know how good it sounds on the other end right now if you're speaking over the person, but kind of lives up to its claim.
Again, our website 24/7 via the online wine link on the homepage of JonesFamilyFarms.com, or call this pickup Friday through Sunday at 475.
Has a good volume range. This one seems to be pretty fully duplex as well. Goose, 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 testing, testing, testing. Yeah, that's actually not bad. Okay, so it seems like a pretty decent phone. Alright, well that's all there is to show here for now. We'll get these cleaned up and I'll use them for a while, and maybe we'll do some kind of review and analysis videos on these.